I'm Melaniece McKnight, and I'm the owner and CEO of Barney McKnight Law, where we help people going through a divorce or custody battle protect what's most important to them. That's their children, their assets, and their future. So I had an amazing opportunity to attend this 2-day financial workshop with Kristen. Now, I didn't have to be sold on the program because I worked with Kristen back in 2018 and 2019. So I was very familiar with her workshops and her systems, her policies and her procedures. So I didn't have to be sold. The financial workshop paid for itself the first hour, yesterday's training. So I brought one of my team members. I've already signed up. Miss Marie and Kristen and her team are going to work with my team to propel us to the next level. So many takeaways, but if I can talk about one takeaway, is knowing your numbers, the metrics. And though I have a little brain burn because Kristen just gives so much good information, so figuring out what you start with first, like that amazing piece that you start with first, is a challenge, but it was so much. I mean, I'm excited to work with them. I'm excited to do, additional workshops. So thank you, Kristen.